So I have another quick tip for you. I'm in the Think Central website, which is the website for the HMH products. We use the Journeys curriculum. So if you use Journeys, this is the site you'll see when you log in into your teacher account. And if you use the weekly assessments on Friday, I'm going to show you a really quick way to set them up. So you don't want to click in here because searching for resources, I used to use this last year and it took a really long time, especially when you got further into the year and you just have to keep scrolling through to find the one you wanted. So I'm going to show you a few clicks that will take you exactly to the assessment for the lesson of the week. So on your main page, you want to go over here to this button, Browse, click on your grade level. You're going to go back over to the left-hand side to Program Structure, select the unit that you're on and the lesson, go to Day 5, and then the assessment is right there. And you click Assign, don't click Schedule. You want to click Assign, and then there it is. So this is the screen where you would set up, you have to name it something or it won't save it for you. Oops. And so you put the name in there, then you'll select your class. I'm not going to pull that up because my kids' names will pop up. But once you select your class, they'll come in on this side, and then you just select all or whomever is taking the assessment on that day. You set up the date. It defaults to a week, and I will set mine to a just the same day because then I get my results quicker. And that's all you have to do is just go down there. And then if you want to select the questions, I don't leave mine this big. I will shorten mine to about 20 questions. I'll do about 5 questions in each of the topic, or depending on, you can really customize it. So I'll go in here. Once I finish deselecting or selecting the questions I want, you click Save. And then once I put my students in, this will highlight, and then I can save the quiz and it'll be ready to go. And then it'll pop up on my main screen. So that's all you have to do, and it's so much faster. So I hope you found this helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.